Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, I hope everyone is doing well at home. I am also fine. I am Abu Zafar Al Zahid, lecturer in ICT Rajuk Uttara Model College. Welcome to our video lecture. In this video lecture, I will discuss Chapter 2, Computer Oriented Devices from Class 7 ICT textbook. Here is the basic structure of computer. A computer basically have four major parts: input unit, output unit, CPU, and memory unit. Input devices are the part of input unit. Here is a picture of various input devices: keyboard, mouse, digital camera, web camera, scanner, and OMR, optical mark reader. An input device is needed for making entries of information and data in the computer. We have already mentioned that keyboard and the mouse are such input devices. We can write in Bangla or English or in different languages of the world using a keyboard. When any button is pressed in the keyboard, a particular letter of that button appears on the screen of the computer. It is not that we always write either letters or words. Often we need to do some other things. For example, if we want to draw a picture, we cannot do it by the keyboard. We can do it by moving the mouse. Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It is similar to typewriter machine, but it has some additional keys. Mouse is a very popular input device. Usually it has two buttons, left button, right button, and one scroll wheel. Left button is used for selecting a program icon, and first double click to the left button is considered as give command on it. Right button is used to see the properties of a file. Touchpad is used in laptop instead of mouse. An extra mouse also can be connected to our laptops that can perform the work of our pointing. Microphone is also an input device. Microphone is used to enter speech, song, or any other voices in our computer. It can also be used in internet-based communication like voice chat, which we used in video calling, video conferencing, or phone calls. Microphone is also used in voice recognition systems. It is not that we always write either letters or words. Very often we need to do some other things, like we need to capture pictures or click pictures. Then we need digital camera. A digital camera is a very popular and familiar input device. It is previously used for research or exploration at the beginning level. By using a USB cable connection, pictures from digital camera can be sent to our computer directly. Web camera is another form of digital camera where video is recorded. Web camera is directly connected with computer, so videos to a computer or network also preserves in our computer. It automatically preserves the recording in our computer. Here is the use of web camera. Web camera is mostly used in video, phone or similar use. When we use video calling service, then we use the web camera. It is also used in security surveillance in order to control crime. Scanner is a popular input device. Sometimes we need to insert a full picture in the computer. If the picture is taken on a digital camera, That picture can be directly inserted into the computer from the camera. If the picture is in print form, we have to scan it using a scanner if we want it to insert in our computer. So digital camera and scanner are also input devices. OMR, optical mark reader, it is also an input device. It can recognize information by analyze the reflection of light. It is very much popular in evaluating multiple choice answer script. Here is the use of OMR. It is used in surveying and testing. It can also be used in reading questionnaires. It is popularly used in multiple choice examination paper. How OMR works. Basically, it compared the answer script with the previously saved correct answer. It is possible to evaluate thousands of paper script within very short time without any error or partially. Barcode reader and joysticks are also input device. Barcode reader is used in shops to read the barcode of products. Joystick is used in gaming. It is used to control in the gaming. Memory is a place where data and information are stored. Computer, digital camera, smartphone and other devices can have memories. Basically, memory is two types. First is primary memory. The second type is secondary memory. Primary memory are RAM and ROM. Hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc are example of secondary memory. Pen drive is also example of secondary memory. Now I will discuss memory capacity: bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte. One bit of memory means a 0 or a 1. A single 0 or 1 is regarded as a 1 bit of memory. 1 byte is equals to 8 bits of memory. 1 kilobytes is equals to 1024 byte. 1 megabytes memory is equals to 1024 byte. 1 gigabyte of memory is equals to 1024 megabytes of memory. 1 terabytes is equals to 1024 gigabytes. 1 petabytes is equals to 1024 terabytes. Primary memory is also called main memory. Primary memory, which is RAM, that basically stores data and information for processing or executing. When we process or execute any program, the information related to that process or program is stored in the main memory or our RAM. CPU use this information from main memory. After processing, result sent back to the main memory. RAM, random access memory. RAM stores data and information for processing or executing. CPU used to take those data or information from RAM and process. RAM is faster because it has to keep pace with CPU's high speed. RAM loses its data if power supply stops, so it is called volatile memory. RAM is connected to motherboard. It is called random access because processor can locate anywhere in the RAM and collect data from it. In modern days, at least 2 GB RAM is needed for fulfilling the demands of processor and complexity of software. ROM, read-only memory. It can be written only once but can be read many times. Some commands and information needed to be stored permanently. Those are kept in ROM. The memory stored in ROM cannot be modified and does not lose data even in power failure. ROM is connected to motherboard. Secondary memory. Hard disk is a secondary memory, most popular storage device because its huge storage capacity. A hard disk can contain 500 GB of data, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, 3 terabyte, or 4 terabytes of data. It is reliable and not volatile, but it is not so costly. Computer, mobile phone, and some other devices use it as a storage device. CD. CD is also a storage device and DVD is also a storage device. The full form of CD is compact disc and the full form of DVD is digital versatile disc or digital video disc. And a thin layer of aluminum is applied on lower portion of the CD or DVD. A polycarbonate plastic is used in both sides of disc for protection. Laser ray is used to store and read data on the disc. Advantages of CD or DVD. Basically, it stores large amount of data. It is portable, it is durable, it is very much cheap, and it is convenient to carry. Pen drive is also a memory device. It is very much popular for transferring data from one computer to another. It is also called as flash drive. First pen drive came into market in 2000. If we want to connect our pen drive from pen drive with a computer, we need to attach it with the USB port. A pen drive can contain 30 GB of information. It is very much cheap and it is very much durable than CD or DVD. Floppy disk is another memory device. Once upon a time, it was used for data transfer, but nowadays it is not used. It has very low capacity, around 1.54 megabytes. It is very much unreliable. Memory card is also a memory device. It is used in music players like MP3 player, MP4 player. It is also used in digital camera, mobile phone, smartphone, or in computer. There are different sizes and storing capacities cards are available in the market. Thank you everyone for watching this video lecture. In our next video lecture, we will discuss the remaining part of our chapter 2. Allah Hafiz.